Alright, this is the elevator at 4 East Rolling Crossroads in Woodlawn, Maryland. Got a Schindler MT 300A. Door operator's loud. This is a newer one. It has the phone button on the panel. I will say that despite MT being crap usually, this is an unexpected treat. I was expecting a Series 1 or an Impulse, but not this. I don't typically see this out in the wild. Most commonly, I see these in newer condo buildings around here. I also see them in the mall in Columbia. That's the main place around here where there's Schindler MT. Coincidentally though, this is actually by Security Square Mall, which has US square buttons in Macy's, and in the former Sears building there's Montgomery square button, and in the former J.C. Penney there's also Montgomery square button. 3,500 pounds. Sears is abandoned. J.C. Penney was redone into a church, I think. Schindler logo's gone. Alright, there it goes. Hope you enjoyed. That's it. Thanks for watching.